the fashion blog at Ginza, Tokyo. I will be walking around picturesque spots. First of all, I'm really hungry, so going to a noodle shop. After entering Street Corner, one of the famous noodle shops in Ginza to be sure, I will order tsukemen. Tsukemen is so popular noodle in Japan. It was derived from ramen. Tsuke means dipping noodles to the soup. The soup is muddier than the ramen's one to coat the noodles. I enjoyed not only noodles but also several toppings and seasonings. Next, I arrived at the car gallery. There are so many supercars here. They are so cool. Above all, Mercedes and Porsche are so engaging as for me. I will take some photos. Then, I'm going to Ginza place which has showrooms of Nissan and Sony. By the entrance, there is Datsun 240Z, which is the first generation of Fairlady Z. And also there are models of the other generations. After climbing the escalator, I'm in Sony showroom. I will pick up the cameras released recently. This is Sony Alpha S3, which is good at taking photos and movies at that place. The body looks like the other Alpha 7 series, but the display is very angle type to be able to make sure ourselves as objects. Then, this is Sony ZV-1 for vlog. Has already been popular among YouTubers and bloggers, though I'm using a GoPro. Finally, I will take some photos at the terrace on the top of Ginza Tokyo Plaza. Thank you for watching this video and please push good button and subscribe this channel. Bye.